2 reasons why you need to be here. 1, advancement is a choice, and 2, technology and gadgets are the fastest and easiest way to attain advancement while holding on to some semblance of comfort. We offer you the crème de la crème. How does it feel to have your cooking process monitored for you? Well, that's what our number 5 spot is for. Our number 7 was made to work wonders in your toilet, so we suggest you stick to the end of this video. Without further ado, here is our compilation of the 10 coolest gadgets worth buying. Number 10, AnyLock Smart Fingerprint Padlock. If you're like most people on the planet, then chances are you've forgotten your keys at home or forgotten your lock's combination code at one point or another. You can put those days behind you because with the AnyLock Smart Fingerprint Padlock, all you need is your finger, and we don't see the possibility of you forgetting that one at home. This smart padlock holds a weight of up to 500 kilograms and can safely be used on bicycles, trucks, or even warehouses. It has 360-degree fingerprint recognition and can even store up to 10 fingerprint sets, so you can share your lock with family or friends. AnyLock has an independent AI processing system, meaning all your fingerprints are safely encrypted, therefore preventing your personal information from leaking. Number 9, TIC 2.0 Innovative Travel Bottles. We've all experienced the frustration of trying to fit all of our stuff into one suitcase, especially with all those many bottles. And most times we've had to either pack an extra suitcase or leave them behind. Or, if you're extra devious, sneak it into a family member's already packed suitcase, you sneaky devil. Well, with the TIC 2.0 Innovative Travel Bottles, you can travel with all your essential skin and shower products in one compact, stylish bottle. The TIC bottles were made exclusively for travel with an anti-leak nozzle to prevent spills and several sections embedded in it to contain your essentials. For example, the TIC shower bottle has 3 sections for conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. And the TIC skin bottle has 9 sections for your skincare routine itty-bitties. The sections are easy to remove and clean, and its classy cylindrical design ensures your liquid products can flow easily. With the TIC innovative bottles, you can travel lighter and smarter. Number 8, DREMEL Versa High-Speed Power Cleaner. Here we have another cleaning device. Did you know that on average an individual spends 90 minutes, a figure that varies depending on the number of mess creators you live with, every day cleaning up? That is over 10 hours a week that could have been spent on family outings or other more productive stuff. Anything that makes the cleaning process faster and more efficient is a big must-have for us, and the DREMEL Versa High-Speed Power Cleaner fits snugly in that category. It is a highly powered cordless device that enables you to work on those tough stains without turning your joints into a rubbery mess or getting you frustrated with tangle cords. The DREMEL Versa can be mounted with different brushes or pads that can be used for a variety of surfaces. For example, the non-scratch pan can be used for sinks or cookware. It even has a bristle brush for cleaning surfaces with grooves. Cross our hearts and pinky swear, this would make your long, arduous cleaning sessions pass away with the most minimal energy expended. Number 7, GIDDEL Toilet Cleaning Robot. It is portable, it is cute, and it cleans poop. What more could you ask for? More accurately, the GIDDEL Toilet Cleaning Robot is made to clean the toilet. This is a beautiful gift for that friend or family member who truly hates doing house chores because it is fully automated, meaning no apps or extra gizmos are needed to make it work. Simply fit it into your toilet seat via levers that are super easy to install and watch it do its magic. Some might argue that a traditional brush might do the same trick, but we beg to differ. The GIDDEL Toilet Cleaning Robot is designed to scrub the inner rim, outer rim, and other deeper places that we might have skipped if doing it ourselves. And if you skip for long enough, I don't know if I want any human creature dealing with it. Is this an essential household item? We guess you'd have to ask a person resting on the sofa, instead of scrubbing up the porcelain throne. Number 6, HUDWAY Drive. Despite the warnings we hear about the dangers of using our phones while driving, many of us still do. And not because we don't care about safety, but because we need our phones for many things, even while driving. We need to get directions or receive important calls and notifications, which our phones have always done for us. To make this process easier, the HUDWAY drive was designed to keep you connected in the most undistracting way possible. All that users have been asking for, e.g. simple installation and quick setup, have been implemented in the HUDWAY drive. It's designed for people who have to stay connected while driving by working with important apps like Google Maps and bringing you notifications over Bluetooth, so you don't have to take your phone out. It features a heads-up display with notifications or directions projected on the windshield in front of your eyes, to make sure you never have to take your eyes off the road. If you have more than one vehicle, the HUDWAY drive can also be taken out and put in another one. Number 5. SAFERA Sense Smart Cooking Monitor. How many times have you started to cook, got distracted, and forgotten, only to be reminded by a burning smell? Once? 10 times? Every time? Fortunately for you, SAFERA has come up with a gadget to help you combat this. The SAFERA Sense Smart Cooking Monitor is the first complete smart cooking sensor, used by fixing it above your cook area and helping you monitor your cooking process. It senses when you start cooking and automatically sets a timer. If you've left the stove on accidentally, it sets off an alarm that brings your forgetful self running. The SAFERA Sense works with the free SAFERA app in a seamless setup ready to use in less than 2 whole minutes. With the mobile app, you can monitor your home's indoor air quality and avoid cooking processes that increase those harmful pollutants. If you had a person on your mind while reading this, you need to get him or her the SAFERA Sense. Number 4. LAYWU Smart Curtain Automator. To be honest, it's kind of annoying having to stand up just to open and close the curtain. We know it'll be easier for us when we could just order those windows closed from our reclined position. And that's why we've included this helpful gadget from LAYWU. The LAYWU Smart Curtain Automator smartens up your already existing curtains or window blinds, connecting them with your home's system to provide voice control for those curtains. With a speedy installation, solar charged batteries, and a configuration that is compatible with either rods, rails, or blinds, this curtain automator is a must-have for all lovers of ease. Number 3. Samsung CUBESMART Air Purifier. From Samsung comes another amazing gadget to promote healthier living. The Samsung CUBESMART Air Purifier uses a 3-stage true HEPA filtration system to sieve out air pollutants like smoke or fine dust and deliver pure air into your space. Best of all, it does this without that annoying machinery sound. The Smart Air Purifier helps you monitor the air quality of your space and also alerts you when to change your HEPA filters via your phone with the SmartThings app. One of these bad boys can filter a room of up to 310 square feet and can be doubled to increase coverage in larger rooms. This is a very helpful device for people with allergies or people living in places where the air tends to get polluted a lot. It's so neat. Number 2. Philips SmartSLEEP Snoring Relief Band. In summary, this is your partner's elbow packed into one band. You know, that elbow nudge that you get when you start snoring again. In reality, it is a smart band from Philips designed to help positional snorers sleep better by inducing them to turn to their sides. No more sleepless nights with your partner, no dry, sore throat in the morning from snoring all night. The Philips SmartSLEEP Snoring Relief Band uses sensors to detect when you've been lying on your back and produces gentle vibrations to elbow you to your side. It also displays information like how long you were in bed or how long you lay supine to help you track your sleep patterns. Why don't you give your partner's elbow a rest by getting this? And if they make one of these that works on your dog, then we truly live in a perfect world. Number 1. CRADLEWISE Smart Crib. As a parent, we want the best for our babies, even if this means spending money to buy several gadgets to perform different important functions. However, the CRADLEWISE Smart Crib nudges that problem out the window by combining the function of a bassinet, a crib, and a baby monitor into one advanced tool. This smart crib has inbuilt sensors that sense when your baby falls asleep or wakes up, and a video system so you can monitor your baby via your smartphone from wherever. It is made up of eco-friendly and natural antimicrobial materials and is PU foam free. Does your baby wake up restless intermittently? The smart crib can also play soothing music while bouncing gently to push your baby back into La La Land. And there you have it, 10 super amazing gadgets that are worth buying. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and drop a comment if you found this video fun and interesting. Any of these gadgets sound cool? Well, make sure to pick them up. We've got links to get all of them down in the description.